What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
My family's looking to get some photos from this phone, iPhone 3GS from 2008. I'm trying to see if I can recover the data for family memories.
Don't worry. I got you. Everything is broken on this. Oh, look at this SIM card. Who remembers those old SIM cards? Look at this battery. How swollen is this? How many months it's pregnant? We're gonna replace this whole housing. This is all broken. Look at that. Do you see the difference on the battery? This main board is bent too. See right here? Hopefully it will work. Your phone is ready, search. Now it's good to go. I changed the whole housing for you. It's good to go.
Nice. The family's gonna love this.
I hope so.